Designing a foam stamp yourself can be very interesting. First of all, your design determines the size of your foam. I will start by drawing the design on the foam using a marker. On a stamp, words are written in opposite direction. I'm writing joy. Please write in a lettering format. This will help create a block outcome. So I'm done here. We'll be using two methods to create the design. First, the fire method and the cutting method. So I have put the fire on and we'll be using knife. So I have to put the knife on fire. So this is the cutting method. I'm using a cutter to cut out the design. So after I have cut out the part that I don't want, I'm going to pinch out the part. So I'm testing the knife if it is hot enough, but it's not hot enough. So now I am pinching the part that I don't want, because those lines is what I want for the design. So just follow as I'm doing it. So for the cutting method, I can't just cut it once and get the line. So I have to cut it twice to create a space, and afterwards I will pinch the part that I cut out. So you cut the line twice. This is the first cutting. So if I cut it like this, the space will not be there. So to create a space, you cut twice. Then you pinch it out. Don't go too deep and don't cut too wide. This design is also lovely for the purpose of this training. Please gauge your design well before you start to cut. Ensure that the space is okay. Your writing should come out as a block, a lettering format. So I'm using the hot knife actually to dress the part that I pinch. If you don't want to go through this process, it's still fine. You can still use it like that, but I just wanted it to come out more neat. So this is the cutting method, using a cutter to cut out the design instead of going through the fire. It's also fast. It depends on what you want, whether you want to go for the fire method or the cutting method. Either of them is fine. Just do what works best for you. Please ensure to use a foam that can absorb wax. So that is how we are going to cut it out. You cut out the lettering part. At this point, please be careful with the knife as it is hot, because anywhere the knife touches is going to melt it out, and you wouldn't want your design to go wrong. You can see that part that I cut out. So just follow the line. Be in control of the hot knife, trace out the lettering and remove every part that you don't want, and you'll be left out with only the lettering, like this. Ensure to knit the edges and do some finishing touches, and your stamp is ready to be used. So we have come to the end of the training. I hope you have learned one or two things, and I hope you are going to try it out in your comfort zone. Please let me know in the comment section what you feel about this. Thanks for watching.